miss me because I missed you guys so much. Hey guys, what is up? I hope you all are doing well. This is Reena, and if you're watching this space for the very first time, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And today I am back with yet another review video for you guys. So I recently got my hands on, this is from the brand Freedom and it's their Pro Strobe palette. So yeah, if you want to know more about this product, then you might want to keep watching. So I'm going to start off with the outer packaging. This is how the outer packaging looks like. This is the Pro Strobe Pro Powder Strobe and Contour Palette with a brush. Wow, that was a mouthful. This product comes in two variants. One is the powder form, which we are going to talk about, and which is this baby right here. And the second one is the cream form, which I don't really think is available in the Indian market. If you know any place where you could find the cream version of this, then please let me know in the comment section, and that would definitely help me. And talking about where I got this from, I got this from this online site called Nykaa.com, which is like a duh. And recently they had their Freedom sale going on. This brand was obviously on sale, hence I had to pick it up. The actual MRP of this is 1,700 rupees, but since it was sale, I got it for 1,488 rupees, which was like a total steal for me. This is how the actual palette looks like. As you can see, it's the basic old school black clear packaging, which I'm not complaining, because sometimes fancy stuff weigh too much and it's really hard to carry them around, while something this basic is very easy. But if you have a lot of similar palettes from this similar brand, it becomes a task, which is the story of my life. And this is 15 gram of product, and let me show you the inside of this. Obviously you have this huge mirror, and then you have these products right here. They are so beautiful. Can we take a moment and just appreciate how pretty they look? They are also known for being a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, which is like wow, because that one retails for like 4,500 rupees, which is way too much, my friend, while this was just 1,500 for me, so it's like total steal. And along with this you get a contouring brush, which looks like this. It's a very dense brush, as you can see. It's now, very honestly, if you go with the price, you might think even 1,700 or 1,500 is way too much for this, but don't forget you're getting a brush along with it. Now these kind of brush, I've seen a lot of them on the internet. Honestly, if you go in the market just to buy this, I've seen the price of Makeup Revolution for this brush, which is like almost 1,000 rupees, which is like, hello, are you kidding me? Now since we're talking about the brush, let me talk more about this in detail. As you can see, it's a very short, travel friendly brush, which is awesome, and my hands are really small, by the way. So yeah, high five to everyone who have small hands. I feel you. So yeah, this is a very dense brush. Now the great thing about this brush is you can use this for amazing precision while placing your contour. If you're a beginner and you're having a hard time while working with, brushes like these or those angular one, because you are just not able to figure it out, something like this is going to definitely help you to get that precision as to where you want to place it. It perfectly fits into that gap space between the cheekbone and this bone right here. So it's perfect, especially if you are someone like me who has a small face and big mouth. Well, that was very irrelevant. Don't judge me. Around your face maybe, and it's really hard to find the bone because all you see is the mass and the fat and the bone is missing. The story of my life, my friend. This is amazing for cream as well as powder. So not only you can use it with this palette, but also with any cream contours that you have. Now about the blending portion, you have to work a little harder with this for the blending aspect. So what you can do is you can place it and kind of like keep blending it, and to give a finishing touch, you can use these kind of brushes there, so that you don't have a harsh line underneath that contour, you know what I mean, because that might look fake. So that is like the only thing you have to keep in mind while using this. Overall, it's a great steal and it's an amazing brush. So coming to the product, let me just give you a quick rundown of it. If it opens, thank you. regular compact powder. In case if powder is a little lighter for your complexion, what you can do is you can set your highlighting areas with this. It will look beautiful, trust me. Then you have this yellow compact kind of a powder. Now this reminds me of the Ben Nye banana powder, or even the Krylon company has this yellow powder. And then you have this shimmery highlighting shade, which is very natural. Then coming to this beautiful section right here. So as you can see, the middle color is a dark color, which obviously means it's for contouring. Now I don't know if in my camera it looks like these two are similar colors, but they are honestly not. This has a lot of cool undertones to it. It's more of those grayish colors. So if you are in a hunt of some grayish bronzy colors, I think this is a total steal for you. While this is a perfect example of a neutral bronzer, this actually sometimes reminds me of the Hoola bronzer by Benefit Cosmetic. It's that close to that neutral family. So as you can see, you can not only use this palette for contouring but also bronzing. Now contouring and bronzing are two totally different aspects, and sometimes people tend to mix it up. But girl, I got you covered. In case if you want a detailed video about the difference between the two, let me know in the comments and I would love to do it for you guys. Since it is more of the contour and bronzing aspect mixed together with a little bit of highlighting, I think it's perfect for every day and even for days when you want to glam up. Because sometimes these kind of palettes are more on the bronzier sides or more on the contouring side, but such a beautiful mix of both the worlds. I think this is a great example. Let me do a quick swatch for you. They're so creamy. Then is the highlighter. So this color I was talking about is a dupe for the Benefit one. This is the more of a neutral based color. This is the contour color, and this grayish color which is not well shown on my hand. Yeah, let me give you a quick demo of. So I've got you guys a little closer to me. So as you can see, I'm just done with my foundation, nothing else. Take this big powder brush and just apply it and just go on my face like so. Then I'm going to take this banana shade and go underneath my eyes for more of a brightening effect. Today I did not go with my Fit Me concealer. I was trying this Makeup Revolution concealer. It's not full coverage, it's a very sheer, but if I would have used my Fit Me concealer or some full coverage concealer and then would have gone with this, it would have been just perfect. It's gonna brighten your face like bam. And can you see it? Oh my gosh, it was literally just one swipe. I just showed you, it was one swipe. Oh my gosh. And it's one of those highlighters which is very natural. I woke up like this, but nothing too bold and heavy like the Mary Luminizer or Becca. No doubt they are beautiful highlighters and I love them, but this is way less looking fake, you know what I mean? I'm done with my glow game. Now let's get started with the contour. So I'm gonna contour my face with this. So I'm gonna pick up a little bit of product because this baby is extremely pigmented, and I'm just gonna place it. Can you see my face has already got that cut over here? Now it's time to blend. So I'm gonna first blend it with this. I'm gonna just soften my face with this Real Techniques brush. Can you see how chiseled my face looks already? Just to top it off, I'm gonna take a little bit of this and a little bit of this, tap off the excess and just go over that contour just to make it look a little natural. Firstly, this powder is so creamy, you guys. Oh my gosh, it literally makes me feel like I'm using a high-end or a luxury product. Also, this powder has almost medium to buildable full coverage. However, if you are using these powders, L'Oreal Infallible or Estee Lauder Double Wear, which are already high on coverage, you have to be a little light-handed with these, otherwise it can look cakey. So yeah, that's a side note. The highlight, oh my gosh, that is like my favorite part from this top section. I'm just the biggest fan of this because it's such a natural, I woke up like this, but a little more extra if you build it up. Coming to this section, obviously I love this contour shade. If you are someone who's starting with makeup, or if you are someone who wants to get started with the cream contour business, this is the thing to go. Creamy when you blend it, but when you apply it on your face, it's just powder. It's like cream to powder consistency, which is mind-blowing. Cream is really hard to blend, but it gives you more natural finish, while powder is easy to blend, but it kind of makes you look like, yeah, I know you wore makeup, my friend. But this is the answer to all your worries, because this is like the creamy consistency where it makes you look natural, but when the blending goes on, it's like a powder. Bam! Best of both worlds. And then my second favorite shade has to be this. Oh my gosh, I love this. For daily basis, I definitely love using this because it's a perfect bronzy shade. Overall, I literally use this palette every day. I use all of these top sections every day religiously ever since I've got this. And then I use this and sometimes this daily basis. And for days when I have to film a video or have to go somewhere out, I reach for this more than anything else, which is a huge deal. So if you are someone who wishes to get started with makeup, or you are into makeup but want to get with this bronzing and contouring and highlighting world, this is the answer to all your queries. I am in love with this, especially the brush that it comes with. It's a thing, just go grab it. It's definitely worth it. If I have to rate this product out of 10, I would definitely give it 9.5 on 10, because there's nothing to hate about this. This is pigmented, this is completely easy to blend, this is perfection in a palette. Trust me when I say that. So yeah, with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're a lover of makeup, beauty, lifestyle, skincare and shabam like that, you definitely have to subscribe to my channel so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye.